Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to learn Algebra, chapter number 4, Financial Planning. Now, before I start the exercise, some information has been given. What do you mean by the term GST? GST means Goods and Service Tax. The taxes which we are paying to the government, you all can see excise duty, service tax, entertainment tax, or octroi, CST, and this it comes under GST, means goods and service tax. The taxes which we are paying to the central government, it is termed as central goods and service tax, and the taxes which we are paying for the state government, it is known as SGST. Now GSTIN means goods and service tax identification number. So in this, a PAN card of 10 digit will be included, and in all 15 alphanumericals are there in this. Now we will learn practice set number 4.1. You all can see the taxes rate of GST we have to pay. The category has been given and the goods and services has been given over here. So for essential commodities and charitable trusts, 0% rate of GST. For commonly used LPG and all that, we have to pay 5% of GST. Standard rate for slab means consumer goods like butter, ghee and all that, printing, job work, we have to pay 12% GST. And for marble, granite, perfume, courier and services, we have to pay 18% GST. And for luxury items, motorcycle and all that, 5-star hotel, we are paying 28% of GST, means to the central government as well as to the state government. Sum number 1, Pawan Medical supply medicines. On some medicines the rate of GST is 12%. Then what is CGST and SGST? Okay, it's very simple. Rate of GST on medicine is 12%. So rate of CGST is 6% and that of SGST is also 6%. So we will divide this into half. Second one, on certain article, if rate of GST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST and rate of GST? It's very simple. CGST and SGST are same. So for the SGST it is 9%, and for GST we will add this. 9 plus 9 will give you 18%. Sum number 3, MS Real Paint sold 2 tins of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is 2,800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find amount of CGST and SGST charge in the tax invoice. So the tax value of 2 boxes of paint is 2 into 2,800 will give you 5,600. Rate of GST is 28%. So we'll divide this, 14% of CGST and 14% of SGST. So 14% of 5,600 will give you 784. 2020 cancel. 784. So they are what? Same. CGST equal SGST equals 784. So the amount of CGST is 784 as well as SGST is also 784. So sum number 4, the taxable value of a wristwatch belt is 586. Rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of the belt for the customer? It's very simple. Now you all can see taxable value is 586. Rate of GST is 18%. So 9% of SGST and 9% of CGST. So 9% of 586 will give you 52.74. So CGST equals SGST equals 52.74. So the amount to be paid by the customer is taxable value plus CGST plus SGST. So 586 plus 52.74 plus 52.74 equals rupees 691.48. Sum number 5th. Total value with GST of a remote control car is rupees 1770. Rate of GST is 18% on toys. Find taxable value, CGST, SGST for this toy car. Now you all can see the rate of GST is 18%. So if taxable value is 100, we are assuming it, then total value of car including GST will be 100 plus 18. So 100, 18% of 100 is 18, so 118. Similarly, if taxable value is X, then total value of toy car including GST is 1170. So 100, if 100 is the taxable price, 1180 is the GST. If X is the taxable price, 1170 is the GST. So 100 upon X equals 118 upon 1770. So cross multiply, then value of X is 1500. So the taxable value of a car is 1500. So rate of GST is 18%. So 9% of CGST and 9% of SGST. So 9% of 1500 is 135. So CGST equals SGST equals 135. So 7th sum. Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. Discount of 5% was given on the printed price of 40,000. Rate of GST charge was 28%. Find the purchase price of washing machine. Also find amount of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice. So the printed price of a washing machine was 40,000. Rate of discount 5%. So discount equals 5% of 40 is 2000. So the taxable value of washing machine is printed price 40,000 minus discount. So 38,000 is the taxable value. So rate of GST 28%. So means 14% of CGST and 14% of SGST. So 14% of 38,000 is 5320. So CGST equals SGST equals 5320. Now the purchase price of washing machine is taxable value plus CGST plus SGST. So 38,000 plus 5,320 plus 5,320 will give you 48,640 rupees. Thank you.